Your organization needs its ideas to grow. But how can you make them a reality? Don't just keep the idea. Print it. We design it. We replicate it. We print it. All in a single service. Large format parts, durable parts, precise parts. Replace conventional production processes with the additive manufacturing of the future. Print in filament. Print in resins. Print in engineering materials. Whether it's a single part or mass production, we've got you covered. Our team is made up of professionals trained in engineering and design for production. For your health, for your buildings, for your creativity, for your machinery, for your vehicle, for your brand, for whatever project you imagine. Welcome to a versatile and adaptable manufacturing process. Welcome to Maxel.